Tell me, is it whack up in the air? Rapping scattered off the gear. I can map him, get it, yeah. It's like a tracker, get distracted, send him back like in the mail. Not a fraction of them real. Catch him lacking, run the drill. Running through the shit like a motherfucking dage.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. On this episode, we're going to be going to the G7x car meet that's on. Just a last minute thing, I just finished doing the yard work and going to jump in the 180 and shoot down there. And hopefully get some footage of some cool cars, catch up with a few guys. So yeah, let's head out. And yeah, can't wait to drive the 180 again on the road, legally. It's pretty bloody warm today. I think it's like 30, probably even a bit more than 30 in Queensland today. Got to take the good old Bunnings hat to protect me because I'm white as shit because I wear the long longs for work as a mandatory. But yeah, it's going to be hot in here. Lucky it's red now and it's a lot more cooler with the sunroof open works as well. But when it was black, damn, she was hot, real hot. Let's get a move on, eh? Head down, catch up with the boys.
know it's probably the softest thing that I will ever say, but I really like you. I really do. And I know that I'm me and I, but I wish it was me and you. Yeah. How's that for a pickup line? Every time I see you, get a feeling like I'm so high. Tell me, am I dreaming? How the hell you looking so fly? I just got a meaning when I looked at you today. I got problems, baby, and I need you to save me. Yep. Hold up, wait a minute, I can feel it, this is so right. Baby, if we kick it out, the future could be so bright. We can make a killing, so you shouldn't walk away. I got problems, baby, and I need you to save me. If it's same no, be I'm same shit. The same old things with the same click. And when I finally decide I need to change this, I'ma feel the same, ain't even gonna say shit. But this time, I feel like it's supposed to be. I'm alright, why would you say no to me? And if you ever wish I will let you're exposed to freaks, so I can eat that booty like groceries. Yeah. Other guys day to day, nothing but a trouble. Baby, you should know that I could give a full bundle. Jokes, sex, movies, kissing, plus some extra cuddles. Maybe we could even be the next new pop. A couple Jay-Z, Beyonce, Erica, and Andre, and into Robin. But we Klein and Bonnie, I can guarantee that this one go to town. So just let me help you make your mind, babe. Baby, I can try to help you find your wings. After that, you spread them out, fly with me. We can do whatever, that's fine with me. Cause you're the only side that
cars out here, and it's pretty much coming to an end now, but we're just setting up for a little photo shoot for me and Luke's cars side by side. We're gonna have the red, it's gonna look pretty sick. It smells so good. That looks sick. He's definitely got the more aggressive body kit, that's for sure. Photos and then go for a little cruise somewhere, do some little boosty noises, and it's been a sick day, like bloody hot today. Must be like one of the hottest days like this year. It's freaking hot as fuck. But yeah, it was cool to come down and meet a few new people. A guy actually just came up to me and asked if he could get a photo with me, the first time ever, which was really weird, but awesome. So yeah, that was cool. And yeah, first time that's ever happened. But anyway, let's get some photos and yeah, finish it up. Damn.
For the $80. That means it's wiring up. It doesn't even do anything.
What kind of J engine's that?
Yeah,
to be honest. Kind of a friend of you.
We got it for a good price from JDM Garage. It was their last one.
Woo! I'll catch you later.
Hey man, which way are you heading?
Which way?
Yeah, I'm going
south.
Oh, okay.
You're north.
Yeah, I'm in Cooper.
Yeah, you're in Cooper. Nah, sick. Alright, well I'll see you next time.
You know, man. Let me know what day's free.
Yep. Be nice.
Might even get lost and come out and shoot.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Yeah, we've got hard tune banners, so we might be able to chuck on the hard tune page.
Yeah, true. Yeah,
He's a really good photographer. So
yeah.
We get Luke as well, the new guy inside of hard tune, because he's a photographer as well. So maybe we get both of them out, and then another photographer with all cameras.
That'll be sick. It'll be gangster, like proper Instagram famous shit.
Yeah. At least we get one good photo.
Alright, that's a wrap for this one, guys. Thanks for tuning in for another vlog. Had a freaking awesome day today. Bunch of sick cars came out. Yeah, freaking awesome. Gonna go home now and celebrate Zara's birthday, which is gonna be real nice. Chill out with her for a bit and yeah, edit this video. So thanks heaps for watching. Make sure you hit the like button, drop a comment and hit that subscribe button. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you on the next one.